जाना पड़ेगा। अप्लाइड साइड में चलिए, इन लाइफ बी प्रैक्टिकल, डोंट बी वेरी एकेडमिक ऑल द टाइम। एकेडमिक ये वो करते रहने से हमें आगे जाने में प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा। सो कीप लर्निंग, ट्राई टू मेक एज मेनी एज mistakes as you can, because there are no failures, no mistakes, only lessons to be learned. गलती नहीं करेगा तो आप, if you are scared of falling down, you do not know how to walk, you'll never learn to walk. So many of the young people who are very talented, they are so scared to take risk. In life, without risk, you don't get anything. So if you want to strengthen the democracy of the country, as a youth is the future of any nation, any country. So you have to learn to take risk and try to make mistakes by trying on everything and paying more attention, focusing more on practical aspect, applied side, not on academic, theoretical side. And please keep learning. Reading good books is very important. Talking to good friends is very important. Connecting to different people is very important. How much time do you spend in a day to develop your physique, your mind, your soul? Education में क्या आता है? Body, mind और soul. हम खाली mind को educate करता है. Physical education. योगा करना है, physical भी करना है. Most important thing is spiritual education. We are completely nil on spiritual education. That is why many talented people, many good physique, very physically very sound, mentally very sound people have become failures in life because they have left blank the spiritual aspect of education. So my appeal, my request would be, you devote some time on spirituality. Spend some time for development of your mind and body. Then focus on your goal. You have to have a dream, a goal. अभी क्या है? आजकल का बच्चों में the youths, they have stopped dreaming. They only want easy, ready-made things. Exam में क्या करेंगे? Class 6 का 7 का इतना ये assignment इतना mark को इतना. It is available in the shops. You are not using ये देखा to ask youth to ask question. You have stopped asking. You have stopped thinking. जब नहीं सोचेंगे, नहीं पूछेंगे, कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला है, कोई सवाल का जवाब मिलने वाला नहीं. तो please every day keep asking why, what, how, where, and when. You will find solutions. And there are people, there are books, there are experts to guide you. आप इजराइल के बारे में आप जाके देखिए. इजराइल कैसा देश है. You go buy any book and you can go to your YouTube, Google, search on Israel. One of the best countries in the world. क्यों? Such a small country. And when Malala can fight against the Taliban, she was hit on 9 October 2012. बुलेट ने उनको तालिबान ने मारा. लेकिन she kept on fighting. But why not? You can fight for your right. आप बोल रहे थे कि ये नहीं हो रहा है, वो नहीं हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है. You discuss. नहीं हो रहा है. Everybody knows वो तो नहीं हो रहा है, लेकिन कैसा होना है? It's not happening. How can we make happen? You sit down together. It's not time for competition. The modern time is for collaboration. आपका क्या स्ट्रेंथ है, उनका क्या स्ट्रेंथ है, वहाँ मणिपुर का आया, नागालैंड का आया है, मिजोरम का आया, इनका क्या क्या स्ट्रेंथ? You collect, collaborate, and use it for finding solutions to your problems. Problem, individual problem के लिए, देश के problem के लिए, समाज के problem के लिए, political problem के लिए, economic problem के लिए हमें solution ढूंढना पड़ेगा. Then only we will have a better country. हमारा देश को महान बनाना है. Our country is the youngest country and we have full hope and you are our hope, you are our future. With these few words, I wish you all the best and मौका मिले तो फिर मिलेंगे. और मणिपुर में कोई घूमना चाहते, आना चाहता है तो जोशी से लेके, आशुतोष जी से लेके मेरा नंबर लेके कांटेक्ट कीजिए. आपको हम सेवा करेंगे। वी हैव टू सर्व, वी हैव टू लिव, वी हैव टू लिव फॉर अदर्स नॉट फॉर आवरसेल्व्स। हमारे लिए देश सबसे पहला आता है और हम लोग देश के लिए कुर्बान देने के लिए तैयार रहना है। थैंक यू।